The 2024 Renault Trafic combines versatility and modern design, making it ideal for any journey. Its full LED headlights with C-shaped DRL ensure a bold presence and excellent nighttime visibility, while the electric folding door mirrors provide convenience and protection in tight spots. Step inside to discover interior LED cabin lighting for a soothing ambience and Java cloth upholstery for a comfortable, stylish journey. Call or visit Hendy Van Store Portsmouth today to schedule your test drive of the 2024 Renault Trafic. Speak to our team about paint protection, tyre and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.